Hi, my name is Talha. I'm the founder of Founding Dev. Building SaaS is probably easier than maintaining it and editing it. If you've created a SaaS for your own company, it's a nightmare to sometimes make changes to that. A lot of people build SaaS using on top of open source projects right now, and it makes it even harder to maintain these projects, make changes and deploy without needing an engineering team. That's why we built the Founding Dev Editor, which helps you maintain your own SaaS internally, saving you thousands and thousands of dollars. So, for example, we have this this SaaS which completely replaces your DocuSign. We call it GoSign, and we provide it as a template within Founding Dev. It's a complete end-to-end e-sign implementation we built on top of an open source project, DocuSeal. And it is available for you to even self-deploy and use within your companies. However, I have imported this as a template within Founding Dev, and it's available here. And I can pretty much make any kind of changes through my AI agents. My AI agents are going to do the changes, make the deployment, run the tests and everything end to end without me doing anything here. So let's make a small change for the sake of this video. Let's say I have this screen, and since this tool is for my own company, so I don't want the Google and Microsoft. So I can remove these buttons. So I go back here. Hey, can you remove the Google and Microsoft? I can also read it to it instead of typing Microsoft buttons on the login and sign up pages, because I don't need these buttons to be there. And perfect, I've given it the instructions, and then I'm gonna hit start coding, and the system is going to create a task for the AI agent to start working on, and I can pretty much go inside the editor and start monitoring the task. See, it created its own subtasks, the editor, and then now it is working on the tasks one by one. I can also view the live terminal as the changes are happening. It's all streamed into my editor, and then this is my browser view. Now the thing with tools like Lovable and all the other tools out there is that you can never build complex apps using these tools, because first they have to render the whole application in an iframe, which is not safe, and we cannot do a lot of things there. You have limitations. But even if you are not doing that, it's it's next to impossible to edit SaaS tools using Lovable. Anyway, so it completed all the tasks. Now it was preparing for a deployment. Now the AI agents that are responsible for the deployments have kicked in, and they have started the deployment. Deploying a complex SaaS like a DocuSign, it's really hard, but we have made it very simple for our users, where with the click of a button, it's been taken care of for them end to end. So let's just give it some time, because deploying these complex apps takes a minute. And in the terminal, I can see that the task has been completed. So I can pretty much review all the changes that have happened, the code changes and everything. So it's pretty much already there. Let's give it a minute. Perfect. The deployment has been completed. And then now the AI agents will refresh or preview, and voila, both the login through Google and Microsoft button have been removed. And obviously, if we go to the sign up page, those buttons have been removed. We can also view the live version of this. So for example, if you come here to the live, yes, they have been removed. So I mean, this was just a small change. You can add follow-up messages here. Pretty much you can add single sign-ons, do the database migration, security checks, and everything. So Founding Dev Editor is your one place where you can create and edit your complex SaaS. Thank you.